Visibility of objects. All right, change what is displayed in the 3D geometry. Let's try this, okay? So we're gonna use the Hide Show button. The Hide Show button is right up here. You can learn that by looking at the guidebook and looking for the Hide Show icon, okay? The little thing that's right next to it. So all of these are showing up as gray right now. That's because the entire button is not pushed. Once I push the button, then all the options become available to me. And what do we want to do? Let's just see what the activity says. Choose which objects to include in the toggle operation with the drop-down menu next to the Hide Show icon. Practice turning off the primary planes. All right, well look, what is this? This is called Show Primary Planes, Hide Primary Planes. If I do that, they go away. If I do this, they come back. Look, I can see right here in the center this thing called axis. If I come back up here, turn off and on the axes, and it goes away. Turns out there's a whole bunch of other things I can do here. But as far as the activity is going, that's all it wants us to do. Then it says turn the planes on and off. Okay, I'm going to leave the planes off for now. Okay, look, now there's one remaining here, plane 15. See, there's a little marker on it, plane 15. I can also turn that off by doing this, which is all the other planes. So the primary planes, those are the ones that are like the XYZ planes, so to speak. And those will only be available if planes are available. Then I can turn off and on those ones if I wanted to. All right, so that's activity 2.2.